fixed protocol.
Options Greeks. Welcome back to the Computer Programming University, UNIX, shell scripting, Perl, Python, networking, and app development right here with a smile. So we're talking about substitution, our favorite topic. But in this episode, we want to do selective service, the post office. Oh, I'm showing my age now. That's back in the day. But anyway, so we want to talk about doing selective substitution, which means I want to do a substitution on a particular line. So let me show you what we got working here, what we have to work with. So let's do cat file.txt, bang. So we have, you will smile and then subscribe to CPU. Go ahead, click on subscribe. Thanks a lot. Welcome aboard. But I want to do a substitution to just this particular line. All right. Now, this line has, let's see, we can find a letter that's here and also above. So there's the lowercase o here, right? On all these lines. There's also a lowercase o here. So if I just do a replacement of all the o's, or just replacement of o, then it's going to replace all of them. But I just want to replace it on this line only. So we're going to go ahead and start our command Perl. So Perl dash PI, and then we're going to do a dash E, which allows us to run our commands here on the command line. And now we're going to do our substitution syntax. So we go S and with G for global, and then we do our little slash boxes. Here's a search string, there's a replacement string. So we're searching for the letter L, and we want to replace that letter L with a capital T. But we only want to do that on one particular line, so we're going to extend this command and add an if statement, and then we're going to add a little slash box here with the string we're looking for. So look for the line with this string and do this. So if you see a line with this string, I want you to replace O with capital T. How you like me now? Now we just need to specify which file to run this on. So file name is file.txt. Very creative name of a file. I know. You don't have to tell me. I am a genius. Thank you. Anyway, so let's go ahead and click on the enter key. Boom! And what's the result of that? We're going to go ahead and cat file.txt, enter, and boom! So as you can see, all the lowercase o's up here are untouched, because we did a selective substitution only on the line where we found kind. Okay, so that is how that works. All right, so we can go ahead and do, let's just show you the way this would normally work. So if we replace or remove our if statement there, and we do this in reverse here. So now this is going to do it to every single line. And we're going to add at the end. This is just so we can see all in one command. We'll see the results as well. So boom! There you have it. There you have it. So what did we do? We replaced all the capital T's with lowercase o. There's only one row that has that, so it only did one row. But if we were to do a replacement on lowercase o, so if we want to replace this o only here, ignore all these other o's, and replace it with, let's replace it with a T. All right. Now, because we haven't selected the specific lines, it's going to do it to all of them. So all of these O's actually are going to be replaced right now if I run this as is. So let's run it right now. Boom! Mess up the whole thing more than we wanted to. All right, so that is not what we wanted to do here. So again, if we want to do it by a specific line, let's go ahead and replace these back. And now we're going to fix just this on that line. So what I'm going to do is we want to replace R with U if you find kind. That rhymes. So if you find a row with kind, look for an R and replace it with a U. All right? Boom! There you have it. All right, thanks for watching. This is Computer Programming University. You are listening to Carlisle, and I do here shell scripting, Perl, Python, networking, app development, and lots more right here. So go ahead and click on the subscribe button, and thanks for watching. Options Greeks.